Hello there, my name is Untitled Chapter. I am from Chapter University and I'm going to introduce you to our component ADIN, which is an acronym for Adaptive Interfaces. ADIN creates user interfaces depending on user's profile and adaptability features. The application assists users by displaying task-specific information such as the description of an assembly operation. The component shows notification depending on their grade of relevance. ADIN connects with other components via fireware. Regarding architecture, ADIN is composed of two main blocks, a front-end and a back-end. The user interacts with the components of the front-end, performing actions and requests. These requests are processed on the back-end by the API, which retrieves the necessary data from the database and sends it back to the front-end. On the other hand, Notification Handler microservice handles the bidirectional communication between ADIN and fireware. ADIN interacts with fireware and fireware acts as a middleware between SHOP4CF components. This means that all the components are connected to fireware and have common language by the data models introduced by the project. One of the main functionalities of ADIN is the task panel. In the task panel, we can choose which task we will be working on. Once the task is selected, information about the task is displayed on the panel, showing task number, the current step, precise instructions, components, tools, safety tools, and pictures which are necessary to fulfill the step. We can navigate through the steps by interacting with the next and back buttons. Once we arrive to the last step, by pressing next, we finalize the task and we are redirected to the selection tasks panel to choose a new task to perform. ADIN can be used in multiple scenarios. It can be utilized to visualize information from other fireware-compatible application or device. It can be used for guiding users through tasks and operations, for example, in an assembly operation. Also, it can be used for confirm and reject completion of tasks, interacting with external components. That's all for now. Thank you for watching the video.